What's up guys, my name is Sipo Mota aka The Zoom Machine, and today guys we're just unboxing the RX 7600. It's a Radeon graphics card guys that we're unboxing today guys. It's a present before our birthday. I think it's a present from our subscribers from Twitch. So guys, thank you so much firstly for everyone who subscribed to our channel. Did anything that's towards to our channel, send flowers on TikTok, send stars on Facebook. Thank you so much guys for coming through, and this is what you got from your worth of money plus my bit of effort to add on top of that. So thank you so much guys, this is the investment we got. So without further ado, let's get this video started. Yeah,
this could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
It could be us. Yo guys, today guys we got a new graphics card that you're gonna be installing into our main PC. That means that we're gonna have two PCs now. That means Mrs. can start gaming. I have to talk to her about that. But anyway, more opportunities, maybe a double PC stream, more stuff for me guys, more resolutions, more bit rates and stuff. Who knows? But anyway, we are low spec people guys. We are very new in this streaming industry. But we're not doing anything guys. Let's look at what you get when you buy a Radeon graphics card. By the way guys, I got this from EVTech. Yeah, and EVTech has been lovely to us guys, you know, from our motherboard towards everything that we have bought is always gonna be EVTech. Plus sometimes take a lot, you know. They haven't sponsored both of us, but EVTech has been supportive enough for me guys. From the mouse they gave me, from everything guys, you know. I always support EVTech throughout all of those things. And other than that, let's see what you got. There's nothing there, just a black box, that's black box, nothing else. Okay, first thing you get is your, basically your model thing, what card, which looks awesome, and it comes with this weird thing at the end, which I don't know how to call it, but it is. It looks pretty much awesome. It looks like a card I can put on top. Anyway, I'm still gonna have to scan this thing. Don't scan my QR code, guys. It's mine, not yours. Anyway, I'm gonna scan this and check the warranty stuff and all of those things. I don't know how it works, guys, but you know. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Anyway, and now we have to, you know, take out the black plastic there from the box, and after that, then we're left with what? Guess what? The actual graphics card. So let's look at it, guys. Be careful. There it is, guys. The one, the only 7600. That's it. Radeon RX 7600 guys. We're upgrading from the RX Radeon, what to call it? Radeon RX 850 guys to 7600, which is a huge lift. And I've been using it for more than 5 years. So that graphics card has went through a lot to just make me survive. And I've been streaming with it and gaming at the same time with it. So now I'll upgrade. Let me go closer to you guys. And guys, I had a few issues. Some of you may say I chose wrong, some of you may say I chose right. Guys, I had two decisions to do when I was getting this 7600 graphics card. Basically, I was thinking about getting the 3060, which was a bit expensive than this one, or getting the same one. But in comparison, the 3060 and the 4060, compared to this graphics card, they both compete in different games where the 7600 does better job than a 3060 12 gig VRAM. You see, with that 12 gig VRAM, it still doesn't catch up to the 7600, the 3060. Then the 4060 is very expensive, the 12 gig, but the 8 gig is almost a similar range, similar price range, and it still doesn't destroy this 7600, so that's why I went with it. And basically, if you want to know the specs, basically it's 8GB GDDR6 on a 128-bit memory bus, guys, which I don't have a clue what it is. PCI Express 480, AMD FreeSync technology, game driver optimization, AMD Fidelity Super Resolution technology, Microsoft DirectX 12 Ultimate, AMD Radeon Super Resolution technology, AC technology, and all of that, and XFX Radeon graphics card. Yeah, anyway, Okay, I was just reading everything in the box there. So these are all the things that they promised to bring with it, guys. And if I had to go into deeper detail, guys, I said it's high performing rendering, smart approaching, maximizing performance and visual through the power of AMD software, AMD Fidelity X2 technology, and AMD RDNA 3 architecture, which I don't know exactly what it is, right? But anyway, that's how that's how they talk about, you know. Today I'm just doing an unboxing, there's nothing else I'm gonna do with it. I just wanted to show you how it looks like. But guys, if you want me to do that benchmarks and other things, guys, please do leave it in the comment down in the comments. Yeah, because remember, this channel is more about travel and unboxing my stuff that I have, you know, with me at home and stuff. But you know, if you want me to do more things, please tell me, and then I'll post a video for that. Yeah, I'll also post this video, I guess, on the other channel, on the gaming channel, which I don't post on it. But I think since it's gaming related, I will post it also on the channel, you know, the gaming channel, which is this one now, because if I post this video, it means the video is on both channels, just for you to get it, guys. Yeah. You watch it, you tell me. But if you want me to get more details, more stuff, benchmark, I can learn all of those things and do it for you. I'm not sure. But I only have 2 graphics cards, guys. So without me talking rubbish and messing up your day, guys. But thanks so much for watching for our small unboxing today, guys. And thanks so much for everyone, guys, who supported me. You know, keeps clicking that subscribe button, and also keep sending those stars to us, or us sending us those flowers on TikTok, guys. Please keep doing it. You know, I really appreciate that, and much appreciate everyone, guys. Other than that, guys, cheers, goodbye, thanks so much. Remember, click the subscribe button here, and also follow, like, comment, everything, guys. Otherwise, we are here, goodbye.